Lazy skillet pizza ready in 5 minutes without an oven.
A simple and delicious recipe for breakfast, a quick snack, or dinner. Made right in a pan. Ingredients for 1 pizza: egg, kefir or milk, flour, salt, sugar, baking powder for the topping, ketchup or tomato sauce, grated cheese, 3 to 4 slices of sausage, ham, chicken, olives, tomatoes, oregano. Make the batter. In a bowl, mix egg, kefir, salt, sugar, and baking powder. Add flour and stir until smooth. The texture should be like thick sour cream. Heat a non-stick pan and lightly oil it. Pour in the batter and spread it evenly.
The base is soft and fluffy, like a thick pancake. For a thinner crust, just use less batter.
Immediately spread with ketchup, then add toppings and cheese.
You can use any toppings. It's pizza.
Cover with a lid and cook over low heat for 5 to 7 minutes until the cheese melts and the bottom is golden. To serve, carefully transfer to a plate, slice, and enjoy hot.